In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Kraken, one of the best crypto platforms, and I will also give you an invite code so you can earn 20 euros completely for free. So this is very easy. Firstly, you just need to go to the invite link I will leave in the description below. So this way the 20 euro affiliate bonus will be applied automatically. So once you have done that, you just need to enter either if you want a personal or business account, and just enter your information. So firstly, we are gonna need the email, then we are gonna enter a password as well. And now once we click next, you will see this option. So if you have used my affiliate link, this should not appear, and it should appear like this automatically because it should automatically apply the code. But if it doesn't appear, you just need to paste this code. I will leave it on the description below as well, and then click apply. And now, as you can see, we both will earn 20 euros just with some simple requirements that I will show you later. And now we're just gonna create our account. Just check your email and put the code right here. Once you have put the code there, your account should be ready. You can also verify your ID. In my case, I have done that already as well, and that will give you full access to Kraken. So for this affiliate offer I just showed you, what you need to do is sign up, deposit 100 euros or more, and then trade them in crypto in the first 30 days of your account. So basically trading them can be just converting them from one crypto to another, so there is no way you lose money. And after that, we both will earn a 20 euros bonus. After that, you can also copy your link or invite more friends. So you will get 20 euros for every friend who creates an account with your link, up to 200 euros. It will also help your friends getting money, and that's it. That's a quick way you can make money creating your Kraken account. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.